It'll be 6 months. It'll be February before you know it.
Huh?
It'll be February in 6 months. It's gone, Keish. It's gone.
I know.
I'm so proud of you. You can do it.
Did you feel your hair really back or like the perm and made your hair back?
Yeah. And I stay coloring it and
Worse?
yeah.
She's very, very bad. She does stuff, she thinks about it and just does it, and then afterwards she's like, I maybe should have did that. That's her. That's her. She needed this. She'll do something to her hair. Her hair, she get a little hot in her head. She's like, oh, I want it all gone.
Yeah. 'Cause I don't like hair.
Well, you have no choice now. We have did it. We did it. We did it. I'm so proud of you. Now, I'm going to have to get her number, because if she catches you in here, she's going to call me, okay? You're going to call me, right? If you catch her, if she tries to sneak in here,
I gotta bring my boys.
okay, you can watch them from the door. You're not allowed to come and talk to her until it's time to pay for the boys, and you have to get out.
All right.